Hi guys, welcome back everyone to Appetizers for today. Today we're going to be making baguettes with cream cheese and smoked salmon. I want to show you a few of our ingredients here. We have cream cheese, we have smoked salmon, we have parsley, cilantro, and chive. We also have a baguette. We're going to be using salt and pepper, some olive oil, and some hot sauce. Let's get started, guys. Now I took my baguette and I used a serrated knife and I cut it about 1 inch. So we're going to put these baguettes with a little drizzle of olive oil into our preheated oven, about 425 degrees, for about 3 minutes to 4 minutes. You just want a little lightly toasted look here, a little brown, lightly toasted, nothing too dark. Now while that's toasting, I'm going to add my herbs. So we have our chive, our cilantro, and our parsley. A little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to add our hot sauce. A couple of dollops there. There you go. You like that combination of the spiciness with the cream cheese. So now I'm going to incorporate all of this together, mix. And all this is being done while our baguette slices are being lightly toasted. And this recipe is good for any occasion. Okay guys, so now that we have incorporated all of our herbs and salt and pepper and hot sauce, let's go check on our baguettes. So we have our lightly brown toasted baguettes. So this is pretty simple and easy now. Now, just going to add a dollop of our cream cheese. I'm going to get my spoon here. I'm going to add this on top of here. This tastes really good, guys. You gotta try this. And on top of that, we're gonna add our lovely smoked salmon to the top. Okay guys, let's head over to the table. Okay guys, here's our final presentation. It looks great, and I'm telling you it tastes great. Thank you so much for joining us today on Appetizers for Today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.